trading is a mental game. It's a, it's trading psychology is very important. And trading success is possible, but it requires a lot of work initially. And the mindset of trading, aka trading psychology, is where I would say the bulk of the work needs to be done, in my opinion. And yes, even for systematic rule-based traders, because trading at the end of the day is a mental game. It's a game you play against yourself, because you're the one making the decisions and pulling the trigger ultimately. And if you have a lot of internal conflicts and limiting beliefs, and if you have a short fuse and don't know how to manage your emotions, I mean, winning as a trader is practically impossible. You'll tend to make a lot of costly trading errors, and you won't get anywhere significant in this endeavor.